Greetings from Indonesia. My name is Kevin Kanato, MD. I'm from Diponegoro University, Research Assistant, Division of Hematology and Medical Oncology, Department of Internal Medicine, Faculty of Medicine, Diponegoro University, Dr. Khadi General Hospital, Semarang, Indonesia. Now, I will present our research about the association of Hif-2α overexpression score with Gcb and non-Gcb subtypes of diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, published in Bali Medical Journal. Introduction. So, the diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, or we call it DLBCL, is the most common type of non-Hodgkin lymphoma. It is classified into homogeneous subtypes, namely Gcb and non-Gcb, with the latter associated with the worst survival outcomes. Increased expression of Hif-2α is often observed in DLBCL and has been correlated with enhanced angiogenesis, suggesting its potential as a prognostic factor in the management of DLBCL. The aim of this study was to find the association between the Hif-2α overexpression and the Gcb and non-Gcb subtypes. So the method of the study, this was a cross-sectional study. We got the sample from the Dr. Khadi Semarang Hospital between January and December 2021. Immunohistochemistry was performed on the sample to determine the subtypes of DLBCL and to assess the presence of Hif-2α. The Hif-2α was evaluated by the immunohistochemistry based on its distribution and intensity. The Kurzweil-Wallis test was used to find the association between the Hif-2α expression and the Gcb between the Gcb and non-Gcb subtypes of DLBCL. The Spearman rank correlation test was used to explore the correlation between all numerical variables. The results of this study, we got the 30 subjects, included several samples of Gcb and 23 samples of non-Gcb subtype. The Kurzweil-Wallis test showed that there was no association between the Hif-2α expression between the subtypes of DLBCL. Spearman row correlation test indicated no correlation between the Hif-2α overexpression score with NCC and EP score, with the R correlation in the Gcb subtype 0.219 and the non-Gcb subtype R correlation minus 0.194. The discussion, to the best of our knowledge, this is the first study to investigate the association of Hif-2α expression between the Gcb and non-Gcb subtypes of DLBCL in Indonesia. Previous study found that the Hif-2α protein expression in the colorectal cancer was not associated with clinical stage, lymph node status, tumor invasion, vascular invasion, or metastasis. Other factors such as genetic alterations, epigenetic changes, interactions with the tumor microenvironment, and the signaling pathways can also contribute to the clinical outcomes independently of Hif-2α expression. So the conclusion of the study, there was no association between the Hif-2α expression between the Gcb and the Gcb subtypes of DLBCL. Additionally, no correlation was found between the Hif-2α overexpression score and the NCC and EP score. Okay, thank you for the attention for this abstract video. Thank you.